Hello everyone, welcome to the next class of management accounting. So I believe you all are doing very well, okay, and you are giving your required amount of time to your studies also, which is definitely for any student very important, okay. Last class under the management accounting we have started the calculation of fund from operation. So today also we'll cover in this class one more problem related to the fund from operation only, and this particular problem I have taken from a old question paper, okay, where it was for 5 marks. So we'll try that problem to solve. Okay, so this is your question. Find out the fund from operation. FFO is your shortcut. Okay, fund from operation from the following information. So information what we have: profit and loss balance on 31st December 2019, credit balance 4,35,000, and then on January it is 45,000. So whenever in any question you have a closing and opening balance of profit given, then to calculate the net income or net profit we are going to go do what? Closing balance minus opening balance. Okay, because I hope you remember to calculate fund from operation, first we used to take net income, okay, or first we have to take a net profit. Okay, so in this type of question to calculate net profit, just closing minus opening balance, that is 4,35,000 minus 45,000. Okay, and in that I hope again you remember, okay, in that we have to add back non-cash and non-operating or non-fund expenses or losses which we have already debited in profit and loss account. Okay, so when we prepare the trading profit and loss account to calculate net profit, some items which are in nature of non-cash and non-operating or non-fund, we used to debit it. So those items we have to add back, okay, in the net profit to calculate the fund from operation. Okay, and those items, what? Your non-cash, non-operating expenses or losses. Okay, expense and loss we used to add back, and similar way, same nature, that is non-cash and non-operating or non-fund incomes and gains we used to deduct, okay, from the net profit to calculate exactly the amount of fund from operation. Okay, same thing we'll do here also. Now 4,35,000 minus 45,000, that is 3,90,000 is going to be your net profit. Fine. So in that we are going to add back non-cash and non-fund expenses or losses. So goodwill written off, definitely non-cash. Depreciation written off, another, again non-cash. Transfer to general reserve, again non-cash. Okay, now provision for taxation. Okay, provision for taxation we can treat in two ways. Okay, in detail how to treat the provision for taxation we will check in a further classes. Now for this class only, in short I am telling you, provision for taxation we can treat as a current liability also, or we can treat it as a non-current liability also. Okay, now what to keep remember, if we are going to treat it as a current liability, then I hope you remember we had the first step where we have prepared the statement showing changes in working capital, and I have told you all the current items, whether it is assets and liability, both will come in this first step. Okay, and it will not come or it will not appear in your further steps, that is fund from operation and fund flow statement. So if we are going to take this provision for taxation as a current liability, then we have to just leave this item right now to calculate the fund from operation. Okay, then we have a dividend received, that is your non-operating or non-fund income. Then we have a loss on sale of machinery, that is your non-fund or non-operating loss. And then we have a profit on sale of land and building, that is again our non-operating or non-fund profit. Okay, so I hope it is clear which is your non-cash non-operating loss or which is your non-cash non-operating profit. Okay, so now let's start working. Now first I am going to treat, okay, this provision for taxation as current liability. And even you have to also keep, remember, when you're solving these type of problem, you have to put a note, okay, after your solution, that you have treated the provision for taxation how, whether you have treated it as a current liability or whether you have treated it as a non-current liability. Now right now I am treating it as a current liability. So as I told you, when I'm going to treat it as a current liability, it will appear in our first step, that is statement showing changes in working capital, and it will not appear in the further steps. It will not appear in your fund flow statement or fund from operation. Okay, so sticking to that, coming very first, we have to calculate the net profit. As I told you, closing minus opening. So in your outer column of amount, 3,90,000, and then we have to add non-cash and non-fund expenses and losses. Okay, so which we have just now seen while discussing the question. Goodwill written off, non-cash. Depreciation written off, non-cash. Transfer to general reserve, non-cash. Loss on sale of machinery, non-fund or non-operating. So all these 4 items, non-cash or non-fund expenses or losses. So we are going to add these 4. We are going to get the amount in your outer column, 1,80,000, making the total of 390 and 180, 5,70,000. Now in this we have to deduct non-cash and a non-fund or non-operating incomes and gains. So while discussing the question only, I have discussed for you profit on sale of land and building, definitely a non-operating or non-fund income or gains. So, okay, and dividend received also non-fund or non-operating income. So those 2 items here, 90 plus 45. So total outer column 1,35,000. Now the finally 5,70,000 minus 1,35,000, we are going to get the fund from operation 4,35,000. Okay, so this is the amount of our fund from operation. Now we'll check the another one also. If I am going to treat, okay, provision for taxation as non-current liability, and both is valid one, okay, both is available, just depend. Sometimes it used to mention in your question that treat the provision for taxation as a current or non-current, or sometimes you are going to take the decision. Okay, but when you are going to take decision by your own, please mention it, okay, below your solution, that how you have treated your provision for tax. So in the first solution, I have treated it as a current liability, so it doesn't appear while calculating the fund from operation. But now I am going to treat it as a non-current liability. Okay, so when I'm going to treat it as a non-current liability, it will definitely appear while calculating the fund from operation. And again, I am repeating for this class, just keep remember these 2 points. In further classes in detail, we will check how to treat the provision for tax and what will happen when we are going to treat it as a current, and what and all the different steps will happen when we are going to treat it as a non-current. We will discuss, okay? Right now, just small things to keep remember. Now, again, we are going to calculate the fund from operation. So, same thing. We have to take a net profit, that is closing minus opening. We will get the amount of 3,90,000 in your outer column. And then again same thing, we have to add back non-cash and non-fund expenses or losses. That is your goodwill written off, non-cash, depreciation written off, non-cash, transfer to general reserve, non-cash, loss on sale of machinery, non-fund, provision for taxation, non-cash. Okay, so these all are your expenses or losses in nature of non-cash or non-cash and non-fund. So when we will take the total of this, 3,15,000, so 3,90,000 plus 315, we are going to get the new total 7,05,000. Now in this we have to deduct non-cash and non-fund incomes and gains. Okay, so income and gains, no change. Profit on sale of land and building, non-fund or non-operating. Dividend received, non-fund or non-operating. So again 90,000 plus 45,000, total is going to be 1,35,000. And 7,05,000 minus 1,35,000, we are going to get the fund from operation 5,70,000. Okay, so the main thing is you have to decide how you are going to treat the provision for taxation. Okay, So these are the two ways you can solve. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Just go through with this, and next class we'll try to solve the fund from operation only with the direct method also. Okay, so till then, as always, I used to say, problem solved. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy.